Hi everyone, welcome on board to CATKing. This is Anisha here. Let's today understand how to start your NMAT WATPI preparation and how to make use of the dashboard. All the students who are already on board on the CATKing course, please make sure you watch this video right till the end so that even you know how to access the dashboard and make the maximum use of all the resources till your interview dates are out there, right? Because the next 10 days are very crucial and important for you to make sure you are converting your NMIMS call, which is the, for most of you guys, this is going to be the first interview which you're going to be going ahead with, right? So let's make sure we convert this first interview itself. All right. So firstly, super congratulations on getting shortlisted for NMIMS. Whatever campus it is, be it NMAT Mumbai, NMAT Bangalore, Navi Mumbai, new programs. First, right now, focus on conversion. Later on, think whether you want to join or not. You'll always have multiple options in hand, but let's reach the point where we have all the options in hand, okay? First thing with respect to our final shortlisting is, so when you have the online Zoom WATPI sessions, okay, there'll be an initial briefing being conducted. In the first briefing is where they announce to you what is the weightage criteria. There may be some changes this year. There were changes last year as compared to the previous year. Based on the last year, this is the weightage chart which we had. NMAT was 50%, personal interview 15%, WAT 10%, work experience 10%, past academics 15%. Past academics includes your 10th, 12th and graduation, all of these, okay? So right now you have to put your focus on the personal interview and WAT preparation. Trust me, irrespective of whatever was your score, if in the personal interview you're good, you will be selected. If you're not good, you'll not be selected. I have students at 262 who couldn't convert last year, and students at 235 who are sitting inside NMAT as well also. Last year, the cutoff was 235, okay? So even if you're on the borderline, put your heart and soul into it and make sure you convert the interview, okay? Your important timelines which you need to follow is, you have to submit your application form by 7th of February, which is Monday. This is a paid form, which is going to be 1,000 rupees that you need to pay for it. You need to upload your graduation, 10th, 12th academics, work experience documents, and very important, an SOP. The statement of purpose is the most important because NMAT interviews revolve around your SOP, okay? Then you will have your WAT and personal interview process. This time they have opened up the slot booking concept. So you, once you've done submitting, you will be given the option to book your slot for your interview. Instead of the allocation being done at their end, they have opened it up for booking at your end, okay? So check it out. As of now, the students have been able to see dates of 10th to 18th Feb for all the NMAT Mumbai call getters. So that's earlier for all the Mumbai call getters, the interview process. That means if it's 10th Feb, you have 5 days in hand. So let's make sure that next 5 days, everything is focused only on your WAT and personal interview and convert that, right? With respect to the statement of purpose, we had a quick discussion. In fact, yesterday night, 11 to 12, we usually have these 11 p.m. meetups once the calls are out. We had a 1-hour discussion with 3 of the NMIMS mentors, like from NMIMS, different backgrounds, engineer, freshers, work-ex people, BBS students, NMIMS merit rank 12 of last year, on what and how to go about with your PI preparation, the SOP, as well as your WAT. So SOP, focus on 300 to 350 words. Don't make it too lengthy. There is no word limit given, but keep it crisp and concise. Focus on these 4 major aspects about your wow factors, why MBA, why NMIMS, and why should they select you. In fact, your students who have got on board with the CATKing's process, we are doing their SOP evaluation as well. Also, the review of SOP is being done. If you upload your SOPs by tonight, 11 p.m., the team will evaluate and give you feedback by tomorrow, 12 noon, so that you can submit your final SOPs, which is going to be the base of your mock interviews, okay? After that is done, then comes your preparation from the dashboard, which is very, very essential for us, okay? So once you will get access to the dashboard, you will have this one section called as the IIM WATPI section on your portal once you log in. Okay, here you will be attending your live lectures. You have everyday live lectures 9 to 10 p.m. plus every Sundays additional session for the NMAT WATPI every Sunday 7 p.m. If anything more additional required, we will ad hoc take up more sessions as well and make you meet the alumni as well, so that you are prepared for your interviews. In case you miss any classes or all the classes which have been done in the past as well, all the recordings are also available for your reference. The students have also got their mock interview schedule. In fact, we have every day lots of mock interviews happening. We have 18 panels running today for mock interviews and 18 panels tomorrow as well. So all the students will be having 2 mock interviews before their actual interview. Once you are prepared, and your mock interviews are taken by people who are studying in NMIMS or their alumni from there, so they know in and out about it, right? So that's going to help you for your mock interviews. How do you prepare for your mock interviews? All the most expected interview questions, we have the interview answers videos done. Watch these videos. Based on these videos, you will prepare your answers, practice, and then give in the mock interviews. Based on your profile, there are some expected interview questions which can come for engineers, non-engineers, all of them. Repository of questions also available. Read through this. First thing, before you jump there also, go to the non-IIM college GDPI dockets, read up the entire NMAT WATPI docket to see the experiences of the previous year students for their interviews. What were they asked and what kind of questions do they grill on, or when is it a stress interview or is it a chill interview? Okay, then very essential functional dossiers to know your basics of marketing, finance, strategy, HR. ये 4 तो करने ही करने हैं. Do a mini MBA and go. That helps to impress the panelists in your mock interview right in the start itself. Okay, something which is very key for your WAT. Open up the WAT topics. All the different types of WATs are available, but very important, the case-based WATs. You will read these, you will understand the questions, read the sample solutions written as well. These are all made by NMAT students who are studying there, who have given the same complex WAT last year. Okay, so you have sample WATs with full solution provided to get a very good idea what you should be writing and how should you start thinking when the WAT topics come to you. And the first thing which you're going to start with is your SOP. So there is a repository of 200 sample SOPs. Read them, take inspiration from them. This is your guideline. Based on this, you will prepare your SOP. Okay. For all the students who are joining us now, you have not connected yesterday with the seniors, go to the Alumni Connect sessions. In here, the calls out meetups, you can refer to the 4th February meetup, which has happened for NMAT call getters. And that will give you an idea about our detailed discussion on personal interview, SOP, as well as WAT. Make sure you keep watching that on repeat so that you get clear idea what has to be done and how do you go about with that whole process. Check out the link in the description so that we can get started with the entire preparation. And we had an amazing 33% conversion rate last year. Students who applied and who converted to NMAT. We had 270 people who made it to Mumbai campus. Let's make sure this year we increase that number to a 300 plus. So if you want to be the next one, get on board at the earliest.